Hi, this is Kevin with KDM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub. Um, I did not, I was not able to get this recorded last night, so I'm doing it this morning. But it's going to be for yesterday, the PAC report for the 19th of August 21. We're 275 members, 259 free, 16 VIP. We've got 2 verified emails waiting, so that number could go up or down depending on if they do decide to verify the emails. Today I'm going to talk about the platform VeVe, and it is a way that it's an investment type thing. And the big news about it is that the NFL gave them their license for all their NFTs. In the previous PAC report, I talked about OpenSea and how you can make your free NFTs yourself just by uploading your pictures and artwork or anything like that. So uh, let's go over the site real quick, and then I'll talk about that for about 5 minutes. Um, Make sure you're checking out the sticky bars up here and getting any information. Do your bonuses every day. Test your sites. Go to the PAC report to get my latest videos. Uh, I'm putting the videos of the Hercules Plus drawings uh, offline or unlisted, however it's said, because I've been having problems that might be considered gambling. Just depends on how you read the fine print in YouTube, and just to be safe, I'll go ahead and make the videos and then email them to you, and then I'll notify the winner. Um, it's for transparency, so if you can't get to it or you haven't got it, contact me. I'll send you the link to get to it, and you'll see who was drawn that day. I'm having some people complain that the same people are winning over and over again. Well, there's only 10 people playing, so that's definitely a possibility. But I'm looking for a new system. So anyway, go to the PAC report, look at my videos, play the grid click game to get your free promo. Everybody wins one just by playing, and you also get entered for that Hercules Plus solo. Set up your daily bonuses, ads if you got any. Uh, you can earn credits right here. This viral ad code is really because the more people that posts it to their sites, it makes this site bigger. We've got 259 or 75 members right now, and when you add that and people are emailing those out, that means you're exposed to as many emails as go out. So it could literally be thousands and thousands of people that your ads are getting exposed to as well as somebody else's. So if you can attach that to anything, do so, and that helps you and your fellow member. Um, you can buy with credits or cash the advertising here. Redeem your promo codes. You get 2 of them every day. One from the grid click, one in the mail. If you're not seeing it in the mail, check your spam. Affiliate tools right here. The commission still ain't hooked up yet. I'm working on that. I lost Stripe, so all I got is PayPal right now. But everybody who's member upgraded, I write it down and contact you, so there's a record of it and all that. But the affiliate tools, the 2 splash pages are the 3rd one and the 4th one. Those are really doing well as far as signups. So they're also absolutely beautiful. Thanks to reducethehype.com. Martin over there made them absolutely nice. 2 offers right here. One's for the $69. That includes all this plus an extra 200,000 and a whole load of free advertising. And of course, lifetime membership with the 80% commission. We've got 84 spots left, so they're going. So it's only going to be 100. Manage your gifts. You can give something away for free to get them to your capture page and get them signed up. Just make sure whatever it is that you really can give it away for free, that it's licensed to do that. Um, do your downline, edit your profile links, because people who look at your profile, they'll see what your top 5 sites are. It's more free advertising. And if you want an exchange like this, just click on that and go over to Phil Marr's site, and he will hook you up with either one already made up, or he'll make you a custom made one, or sell you the script. And make sure you're doing the welcome promo. I got about 110 people who've done so. The rest have not. And that's all. That's pretty. Oh, do the still the site here. That's more free advertising. So that's it for right now. So let's go talk about VeVe. What VeVe is, it's like yesterday I talked about OpenSea, and you can go there, sign up for free, and upload a picture and then mint it into NFT, which puts it on the chain blockchain. So, so that's something maybe you want to experiment with, because there's a lot of money being made with NFTs right now. You can sell that, or you can send it to a friend, or a girlfriend, or a wife, and you can also put messages embedded within those NFTs that only the person who purchases it, or you give to, can read. So that's just a little background on OpenSea. Now, VeVe is a digital collectible of NFTs, and they've got the licenses from Marvel, DC, um, all these collectible type companies. But the new one they got is the NFL. So eventually they're going to be dropping NFL NFTs, and these NFTs not only is a picture, but it's going to be a video clip of maybe Tom Brady, your favorite football player, or your favorite football moment. Maybe it's a touchdown in the Super Bowl, and they're very limited, and they're highly collectible. And well, I'll go more into that in a second. Uh, but Marvel's probably the biggest license they got right now, because everybody knows how big Marvel is. Um, Yesterday was their first comic book drop, and if you're a comic book fan, you're going to love this. They dropped this one yesterday. Marvel Comics. It was the very first Marvel Comics books way back in the 40s. But not only is it a picture of the comic book itself, it's the whole comic that's minted onto the blockchain, and you can read it. It's got everything but the ads. It's not. It's the regular comic from that era, but it doesn't have the ads in it. And they got 5 different cover variants. So they got secret rare, rare, regular, and then common. And they drop them at 8 o'clock in the morning Pacific time. So that'd be 11 o'clock Eastern. And they cost $6.99. So there was a total of 60,000 total in all of them. And so my recommendation is, if you're even remotely interested in this kind of thing, and you got an extra $7, is to get yourself one. And if you miss the drop, there's an on-site buy and sell store that everybody who belongs to it can sell their buy. And the common, everybody went for the it's randomly given out for the rare, super rare, all that stuff. So everybody who bought one who didn't get one, they dumped these on the market at first. Okay. And then after a week or two, all those people dry up, and even the common starts going up in value. Everything they dropped so far is $20 or more after a couple weeks. So right now you can get one of these for $5-6 from the people who just going to take that money and try the drop for today at 11 o'clock. And that's this one. That's going to come at 11 o'clock today. They're going to drop it. And then this one is on Saturday. Okay. So my recommendation would be to get one and then forget about it. I'm not into buy, sell, buy, sell. I'm into you buy it, you hold it, and forget about it. And it's history in the making, because it's the first comic book NFT. Okay, and it's that you can also read, so it's pretty neat. Um, Here's the drop details. Let's see what kind of information they give you. It's pretty much everything I just told you, and it's really simple to sign up on. Uh, they use gems that you pay. Excuse me, that they pay using a credit card, and I'm not going to go into all this. This is just the sales pitch. The app updates on Android or iOS app, which is Apple. The My Chromebook would not take it, so I can't show you what I did yesterday with it. So I could just tell you about it. But anyway, so I was there at 11 o'clock. I put $50 in. I clicked on it, and I got an uncommon, which they're going for about $25 now. So not bad for a $7 investment. Right after it happened, I went to the store and bought another uncommon for $10. Somebody somewhere thought that was a good idea, so I grabbed it. But you can't find them now already in the second day for less than $25. So I'm just going to sit on those. And I bought some more commons the lowest one I bought was for $3. So it's a buyer's market right now. Um, this one's today, uh, August 20th at 11 o'clock. So get there. So to sign up, you just go there, and it's a real simple sign up. Uh, there's no other than the verified email, and then you just pay with your credit card, and then you get gems. And then if you want to sell the gems, you turn them to a coin called OMI, which is really hard to get on any of the platforms. It's this is the even if that's all you wanted to do was to buy the OMI tokens, you would just go on this VeVe app, put on say $50, and then just transfer it into OMI. That you have to have a wallet. You can open up an OMI wallet, or you can open up a Coinbase wallet. Not the Coinbase platform, the wallet. And all a wallet is, it just holds it. It's not the safest place to keep your money. It's like keeping it in your back pocket, but they're relatively safe. You don't want to put millions of dollars in there, but you can keep it in the wallet till you have someplace more secure to put it or download the keys. And that's pretty much all I can say about OMI. It's it's 0.0007 cents right now, so it has a lot of room to get go up in price if you know anything about crypto. Here's all the licenses they got, or some of them. It's not all of them. And these things are going now. These are drops previously before the Marvel comics, and they're going for hundreds of dollars now. Um, this is of the whole world. Don't forget, it ain't just the United States. And then you get virtual showrooms that you can put them in, and I've been doing it on the phone because my Chromebook does not take the app. It's not compatible, and that's pretty much it. You got the secondary market you can buy and sell on. So if you got a few extra dollars, I'd go pick you up a couple items and store it, because it's a new, pretty much a new kind of uh, way to collect and save. And being that not only is that the first comic Marvel ever made, but the first digital, everybody's going to want to have a copy of that. And there's only 60,000. They The VeVe members alone are 350,000. Everything. Oh, by the way, this sold out in under 30 seconds. Under 30 seconds, it was gone. You can only get it in the secondary market. Everything on that platform is sold out. Okay. So this will be sold out. But if you miss it, no big deal. You can get it in the second, especially the first day or two. It's going to still be probably less than the $7 that people paid, because what they're going after is the secret rare, because those are going for thousands of dollars now. Somebody posted it on there at $9 million. Are they going to get it? Who knows? Maybe one day. But that's it. It's called VeVe, and I don't have any. There's no affiliate program. I just it's a way to make money online or invest. So I'm going to talk about it and let you all know about it. So that's it. Thank you for supporting Pro Advertisers Club. If you get a chance, go over to reducethehype.com, get signed up on his newsletter, and check out his incredible site. Everything's free on it, tons of tools, and y'all have a nice day.